Hey everyone, welcome to Market Geeks. My name is CA Prakash Padalia. I'm a CA by profession and a trader and investor by passion. So this is my analysis of Reliance Industries and why I think that Reliance Industries at a good investment level. Now, before I start the video, if you have not watched my earlier videos, analysis of IDFC First Bank, Equitas Small Finance Bank, and Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, please see the link in the description. So before I start, just a small disclaimer from my side that I'm not a SEBI registered advisor, and therefore, if you want to make any decision based on the video, please consult your financial advisor. So I'll be sharing the long-term chart of Reliance Industries and see the nature of the stock, what the stock has done in the past. If you see, from 2009 till 2017, Reliance was a dead animal. It did not do anything. It was at the same price for 10 years. And in September 2016, 5th September to be precise, Jio 4G got launched. Now, this was a pivotal moment in the history of Reliance Industries because it acted as a catalyst for the big breakout. Why do I say a big breakout? Because 201 had not been broken for around 9 years, and suddenly there was a breakout because of this big catalyst, the launch of Jio 4G. So after this breakout, a massive rally took place. Today, the price of Reliance is around say 1368. So it has gone up by almost say 6 to 7 times in the last 8 years after this massive breakout, and therefore the trend which started in 2017, it is still going on. Why do I say that? Because if I draw a trend line from the lowest point of September 16 till now, I am not able to see that the trend line is broken. The trend line is still intact, and it has happened like only three touches have formed till now, and therefore Reliance Industries has a long way to go. This is the first touch point, second touch point, and third touch point. And the current candle is a hammer candle with only like 2 to 3 days to go for the monthly closing. I believe that it will close well. And another reason is that the 50 period EMA on the monthly chart. Reliance has tested the 50 period EMA on the monthly chart thrice, and all the three times it has closed above the 50 period EMA. This is the first time, COVID was the second time, and the currently Reliance has turned exactly from 50 EMA. Therefore, it signifies that it's a good buying point if you are investor in Reliance Industries. Now, another reason that why I think that bottom might have formed in this correction is that if we start from 2017, the early 2017, the rally had started, and the rally went on from 201 to 715, and then came the COVID crash. So in the COVID crash, it retraced 61 percentage of the earlier rally. By this I mean the stock had rallied from 201 to 715, and then came the COVID crash, and in just 4 months the stock reached 387 from 715, and coincidentally the 61.8 level was 398. So this correction was just a blip in the whole rally, and an entire rally started. An entire new rally started from 387 till 1603, and that was from March 2020 to July 2024. In 1603, from 1603, it cracked by around 30 percentage and formed the bottom at 1115. Why am I saying it formed the bottom at 1115? Because if you see 38.2% correction in Reliance, coincidentally also forms around the same range. 1139 is a 38.2% retracement level, and Reliance appears to have already, you started its journey ahead. Another reason why I think Reliance might have bottomed out and is ready for a new rally is the RSI. If you notice this range in the RSI, whenever on a monthly chart, if the RSI has reached 40 and 45, Reliance has made a bottom over there. There have been four instances in the past. This is one. Second, third was in COVID 2020, and the fourth is right now. And if you see, RSI has made a W pattern also, and therefore it gives me a higher conviction that as per Fibonacci, as per EMA, as per trend line, and now as per RSI, the stock has made its bottom. Another reason is, now this one is my favorite reason. What I've done over here is that I have put out a 14 period SMA of the RSI on a monthly chart. Okay, so there are two variables. One is the RSI, second is the 14 period SMA of the RSI. Now, whenever the RSI crosses the red line, which is the 14 period SMA of the RSI, we can expect a rally in Reliance Industries. For the first time, it happened in around 2023. This is the crossover. RSI crossing over is 14 period SMA, and then we see a rally. Next time was in late part of 2023, early part of 2024. There is a crossover. Again, we see a rally. And guess what? This is the third time. Yes, there has been a bit of a sluggish behavior, but now it appears as if, yes, it has already taken off because there's a clear cut breakout. So this is the third reason. And the fourth reason is a divergence on the weekly chart. Now, let me tell you, whenever we have divergence on a weekly chart at a particular Fibonacci level, that is it. The stock has bottomed out, and look at the reversal. A reversal from 1115 to 1368. The stock is already up by some 15-20% from the bottom level. And therefore, I am saying that this is a significant low and Reliance Industries is at an investable level. The results weren't great. There were people criticizing Reliance Industries result, but look at the rise today. It has risen by 5%. So markets are irrational. Whenever there is negativity on the street, I become ultra positive if the chart is positive. So this was my analysis on Reliance Industries and why I think that a long-term bottom could have hit in Reliance Industries, and the next target would definitely be around about the all-time high price of 1603. So once again, I repeat, I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. So consult your financial advisor before investing. And if you're interested in learning price action and technical analysis, I conduct my private batches as well. You can contact me on the number in the description box, and we take off from there. So thank you so much. Please like and subscribe.